Hi there, I'm Shay of Hip the Hoopla, here to give you a tutorial, quick tutorial, how to do a one-armed circular chest roll. And so what that is going to require is one side of the body. It's a little bit of a challenging move, so it's going to take a little bit of time, effort, and patience to get this. But what we're doing, I'm going to do this in slow-mo, and I'm going to use the other hand to demonstrate. You don't actually need the other hand, but at speed, you won't be able to see it or do this. So what's happening is I'm rolling the hoop towards my chest, and it's going to roll and do a little coin flip right here, and then I'm lifting the chest out to bump it back out to my hand. So I'm going to bring it in, roll it out, and catch it. So roll it in, catch, and roll it back out again. So one more time, roll it in, out, and catch it. So ideally you want to have this rolling out in that direction. So this has been Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. Rock on, peace out. Hope you enjoy that. Bye. There's all the rest of it. There's lots of variations of this.